plates with hopeful gleam, a squirt of soap, a steamy dream. I pressed the start, a gentle hum, but silence followed, my kingdom's come undone. The loading complete, the door firmly shut, expecting clean plates and glasses and such. The lights flickered on, then dimmed and then died. My dishwashing hopes were pushed aside. Now the sink's a mountain, a greasy peak, the silverware scattered, I'm feeling weak. No sparkling glasses, no plates so bright, just endless scrubbing through the long, long night. My hands are pruney, my patience thin, the kitchen's chaos, where do I begin? The smell of leftovers, a pungent haze. Oh dishwasher, you've ruined my days. Oh dishwasher, you betrayed my trust. Your spin cycle's broken, turn to dust. The dirty dishes, they mock and sneer. I'm drowning in suds, year after year. The silent scrubber, a metal tomb. You've left me stranded in this kitchen gloom. I'm hand washing now with weary sighs. Oh dishwashing demon, you've closed your eyes. Is it the pump, the motor's groan, or just a blockage, a soapy stone? I'll check the filter, I'll read the manual's page, but deep inside I'm filled with rage. Perhaps a plumber I should implore, or buy a new one from the store. I'll search for answers on the internet scroll, but tonight my kitchen has lost all control. I remember the days of sparkling clean, when you washed my dishes, a kitchen queen. Now you stand idle, a useless frame, leaving me victim of this soapy game.
Change the tempo to a slow blues, his hands are washing the dishes.
Just the sound of the faucet, a dripping tear. My dishwasher silence I greatly fear. The sudsy water, it fills the sink. I'll scrub and I'll rinse until I think